Alright, good morning everybody. It is Tuesday, March 7th, and we are here today at Animal Kingdom, our second day at the parks, and we're just walking into the entrance for hotel guests, getting early. So we're going in and we're going to enjoy another amazing day at Walt Disney World at Animal Kingdom. Alright, so we're currently in line for the safari ride, and we've probably been here for probably close to an hour, even over that. So we're just patiently waiting to get on. I know we're getting close, but apparently they said that Everest is currently down now, so I think a lot of people are getting their, what do they call it? Not lightning lane, but yeah, their Genie Plus. Yeah, getting their Genie Plus and then going through lightning lane since Everest is down. So I think they're trying to get those people on and then get us on. So I think that's why it's taking a lot longer than usual, because when we got on maybe about an hour ago, they said it was 55 minutes, and now and then last I heard maybe about 15 minutes ago that it's now 65 minutes. So I think that's what's going on. So we're getting really close to the actual ride, so hopefully it won't be too much longer.
I present to you His Majesty, the Lion King.
Welcome, everyone. It's me, Simba. You've all picked a very special day to visit. You see, today, we've come to town for a big celebration, and you, my friends, are invited to join in the fun.
Come on, everybody, get ready to flap your paws, stomp your hooves, and ruffle your feathers as we welcome you to the Festival of the Lion King. Let the procession begin. I just can't wait to be here.
Hiya, folks. How you doing? Don't worry, your old buddy Timothy's here. The show can begin. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down. I'm supposed to be center stage. Who's driving this thing?
Come on! Glad you could make it! We can't have this celebration without you! Don't worry, friend. You'll get your time in the spotlight!
Oh, I just can't wait to be king. To be king.
Hello!
Hello!
Look at me! I'm in a parade!
And you're looking good! Love your Pooh!
What aren't you?
Trumpet triumphant.
Hi, everybody. Hey, Pumbaa, Timon.
Look, everyone, it's the Lion King. Welcome, Simba. You're right on time.
Hey, guys. It looks like we're all here. Let's go!
Ain't no passing craze. Hey, Popo, what are you doing over there? My little legs can't make it down off this float. Oh, gee, that's too bad. Guess I gotta do a solo. Hakuna Matata! Ah, what's going on here? What are you doing? Well, this stinks. Sorry. No, not you, Pumbaa. They're ruining my big number. But they're so cute. Cute? Look at them. They're picking bugs off each other. Hors d'oeuvres. Come on, everybody, you know the words. Hakuna Matata, what a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata, ain't no passing phrase. You need no worries for the rest of your days. It's a problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. That's our motto. What's a motto? I don't know. What's a motto with you? Here they go again. But you ain't seen nothing yet.
The powers of retention are as wet as a warthog's backside. But thick as you are, pay attention. My words are a matter of pride. It's clear from your faith and expressions. The lights are not all on the stairs. But we're talking kings and successions. Even you can't be caught unawares. So prepare for the chance of a lifetime. Be prepared for sensationalism. A shining new era is tiptoeing nearer. And where do we feature? Just listen to teacher. I know it sounds sordid, but you'll be rewarded when at last I am given my dues. And injustice deliciously spread. Be prepared.
Enchanted moment, and it sees me through. It's enough for this restless warrior just to be with you. And can you feel the love tonight? The peace the evening brings. The world for once in both and harmony with all its living things. And can you feel the love tonight? You'll need its love to find. Still with you, the night's uncertainties. Love is where we are. There's more to see than can ever be seen, more to do than can ever be done. There's far too much to take me here, more to find than can ever be found. But the sun rolling high through the sapphire sky keeps great and small. On the endless round, it's the circle of life, and it moves us on through despair and hope, through faith and love, till we find our place on the path of winding. In the circle of life.
Alright guys, we're heading out for the day, and I'm showing you the tree of life in the background if I can get a good view of it. There we go. And we're heading out for the day. We're pooped, exhausted. Maggie's getting a little fussy. And I'm sorry this video is not going to be as long as the one for yesterday, but I haven't been feeling the best today, so I didn't get to do much videotaping, but this is the best I can do. So like I said, we're heading back to the hotel. Andy's gonna get something to eat, and then Oh, this way? Oh, sorry. But anyway, so we're heading back to the hotel. Andy's gonna get something to eat. We're gonna get Maggie something to eat. I already ate while here. I went ahead and got the cheeseburger pods, which were in our last Disney World video, and I'll link that description down below so you guys can see my rating for it, and pretty much same thing as it was before. And then Maggie's just getting kisses back there. So now we're walking our way over to the bus and heading back to the hotel. So, like Magic Kingdom, see you real soon, Animal Kingdom. Alright, so we are back at the hotel, and Andy went and got dinner down in the food court, and then we just kind of came back and hung out with Maggie. As you can probably hear her, she's being tickled, and Daddy's playing with her.
I'm actually tickling her.
Oh, I thought you were tickling her.
I'm just taking my head up to her.
Oh, okay. Well, overall, just making her laugh. But I just wanted to show you my new ears I got today. These mini Mickey ears just came out, I want to say, over the weekend, and I saw them right before we left for the trip, and I said, oh, I really, really like those. So if you can get up a little bit close, one ear has the sun on it, and it's kind of jeweled. And then the other one is a lion from the Lion King, or one of the Lion King logos. And I found this in one of the stores in Animal Kingdom, and it was not a cheap pair of ears. It was, I think it was $58, so it's not cheap, but I do not have a pair of ears that I could wear to Magic Kingdom, so I saw these, and I'm a big fan of Lion King, and so I knew I had to have these, and I really, really like them. They're cute. So, again, these just came out this past weekend, and you can find them at Animal Kingdom for $58. Hi everybody, it's actually the next day, and I just realized I forgot to do an outro yesterday for yesterday's video while we were at Animal Kingdom. But as you can probably tell, maybe in the background, we are actually at Hollywood Studios, and that's going to be for today's video, or technically tomorrow's video when you guys see this. So, but yesterday was a fun day at Animal Kingdom. We rode a lot of rides. We saw the Festival of the Lion King, which was a lot of fun. And of course I got my new ears, which was very exciting. And yeah, I know the video was a little bit short, but yeah, I didn't tape much because again, I wasn't feeling well. Today I'm feeling a little bit better, still a little bit of a scratchy throat, but not too bad. That's gonna do it for this video. If you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe. If you do that, it will keep us going throughout the days to come. And remember to comment and like our video. And that is going to do it for today. And that is that. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.